Hey guys, it's Daniella. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am way ahead of the game. I know it's only July, but I went over to Dollar Tree and to my surprise, they already had fall stuff out and I was really excited and I didn't want to miss out on all of the cute stuff that they had. So, well, I didn't get a lot of stuff. I just got a couple florals for a wreath that I wanted to make. And like I said, I know it's only July, but make sure that if you go to the Dollar Tree or, Target, like the Bullseye Hotspot, they will start putting out all of their holiday stuff way in advance. And then by the time it comes to the holiday, they're sold out. So make sure that you swoop up when you see it, because when you go back, it's probably not gonna be there. All of the products that I'm using in this video are gonna be from Dollar Tree, except the wreath. I did pick up the wreath at Hobby Lobby a few years back. They're like $5 and you can always use the 40% coupon and get it for like $3. Like, what a good deal, right? Anyway, this wreath is super easy to make, so I hope that you guys like it. If you're new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe if you are into DIYs and home decor. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for watching. And let's go ahead and get started with the video. When I walked into my Dollar Tree, I feel like they had just stocked the store up because they had it fully stocked in the floral department. They even had a lot of different fall flowers that I've never seen before. I did find a few Halloween things that they had just put out as well, and then some more florals. So you definitely have some options to pick from. Alright, you guys, so here are some of the stems that I found over at Dollar Tree. I grabbed 3 different styles. I grabbed these ones with the fall leaves and the pumpkins. Super cute. So I wanted to make sure I added some greenery to it, so I picked up these filler stems. I've never seen these ones before. Super pretty for fall. And then I picked up some maple leaves without the pumpkins because they were sold out of the ones with the pumpkins. And I'll be using this wreath here with all of these little branches. This is such an old wreath that I picked up at Hobby Lobby centuries ago. I also picked these little signs up last year at the Dollar Tree. It was a pack of 3 of them for $1. You will need some glue, some hot glue, and then some wire cutters. So for this wreath, I'm only going to be using the stems with the pumpkins on it. I'm going to go ahead and start trimming those depending on how you plan to secure these onto your wreath. Make sure that you give yourself enough room on the stem so you can either glue it in place or twist it in place. I'm going to go ahead and just be twisting mine into the wreath. I won't be gluing them, so I did leave them just a little bit longer. I'm going to go ahead and start popping these into the wreath. Really don't have a game plan for this. I'm just putting them into the wreath and then spreading them out to see how I like it and adjusting it as I need to. And then obviously, depending on how full you want your wreath, you can add more leaves if you would like. Like I mentioned, I only ended up using 2 of the stems, which are the ones with the pumpkins on them. Okay, so with the greenery, I am going to cut them just a little bit longer because of the way I'm going to be placing them onto my wreath. And I'm going to go ahead and just stick the stems into the branches in a standing up position. I want them to stick out of the wreath to give it a rustic, very natural look. All right, and then with this Krylon spray paint that I picked up at Walmart, I think, I'm gonna go ahead and just spray paint this white. Okay, so on the back of the wreath, I went ahead and folded over my stems. You can hot glue it in place if you would like to secure it as well. For the welcome sign, I went ahead and used some string to tie it and secure it in place. You guys, this fall wreath came out so perfect. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments. I literally have the urge to go and decorate for fall now. Anyway, if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you subscribe. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.